Good morning. Good morning and welcome to all of you who have traveled here to be with us today, and to our customers across North America, Europe, South America, Asia, Australia, and Africa who will share this content afterward. This is consistently the high water mark of the KCF year for me and for our whole team, and we're grateful to have you here. You who are the leaders of the fourth industrial revolution. You who share KCF's focus on eliminating industrial injuries, billions of tons of unnecessary emissions, and trillions of dollars of lost prosperity, all caused every year by the industrial machine health problem. Sincerely, I believe future generations will be grateful to you for your work and for devoting your time to this community of learning and positive change. This year, my intent is to call attention to important decisions that are taking place within all of your organizations and what KCF is doing to understand and support your needs. Specifically, the decisions regarding how to implement technology to solve the machine health problem, what to build internally, what to partner with KCF to provide, and what to buy from others. This make versus buy decision is evolving right now. And the right decisions for your organization can make the difference between spinning your wheels for another 3 to 5 years without measurable progress versus consistently delivering a massively impactful return on investment that drives your organization forward and guarantees its survival in this rapidly transforming industrial landscape. Reflecting back a bit, Gary Koopman and I started KCF right here in town over 20 years ago with one simple focus: to solve problems by building technology that elevates people. Way back in 2004, we won a research contract from the Department of Energy to build wireless sensors and software to address reactive maintenance problems in industry. And over 10 years ago, we devoted our entire focus to solving the industrial machine health problem at scale. And it drove our exponential growth. And then things got really interesting. The Industry 4.0 market heated up, bringing competition, growth opportunities, and very real challenges. Then the pandemic put extreme stress on everything. And it highlighted shortages, most especially shortages of experienced people who know how to run industrial operations. All of this led KCF to important learnings, specifically in extending our industrial machine health platform and building resilience, flexibility, and interoperability. Always with the same focus on listening to our customers, building technology to elevate people and solve your problems. This graphic, Gartner's technology hype cycle, describes well, I think, what is happening with industrial transformation. There is a technology trigger driving change in industry, the fourth industrial revolution. I would say the Industry 4.0 trigger started with wireless technology, low-power MEMS sensors, and it built upon the PC, software, internet, and smartphone revolutions. And now it is accelerating with the impact of cloud hosting, big data, machine learning, and especially AI. These technology revolutions affect all businesses. But we in this community, we know something that average people don't know, and that's industry is different. We know that delivering real change in industry is difficult. Unlike in consumer-facing businesses or in software companies that are focused on clicks or ad revenue, you do real things with real consequences. One single pump or bearing failure could cause a catastrophic fire, shut down a plant costing millions of dollars of lost productivity, or even kill someone. In fact, tragically, these things have happened all in the last 12 months. And that is why this technology adoption hype cycle of Industry 4.0 is so important. It really matters. And it matters because the challenges are real and the consequences of inaction are huge. And it has been both exciting and frustrating to me personally how the last few years have developed. Exciting because the wave of Industry 4.0 has caught full force, but also frustrating because the opportunity has drawn in new players, especially VC-funded companies who are trying to catch the wave and offer low-cost solutions that are accompanied by inflated expectations. Sure, we've all been distracted by the inflated expectations. Check out one very real representation of this hype cycle. This graph represents the actual market value of a software company, specifically a software company focused on IoT and AI. And the peak of inflated expectations is right there. It's in the post-IPO stock price, followed by a deep trough of disillusionment. This company is not a direct competitor of ours, but we have direct competitors who have approached the industry, your companies, with unhealthy business models that result in this pattern, unhealthy, inflated expectations and delusionment like this. Personally, and I hope you agree, in industry, that is not the best way to do business. And KCF never fully bought into the hype of inflated expectations. Our path has always been to solve problems and deliver customer value, starting small, experiencing challenges, learning, and growing with our customers as partners. And this puts KCF in a great position to drive with you through the disillusionment and toward positive change. Because as I said, KCF is experiencing the technology adoption lifecycle differently than most of our competitors. We are built for success, for scale, for value, a comprehensive solution that addresses your needs and the needs of your people. We followed a more measured course, and we've now had time to reset, reload, and drive aggressively up the slope of enlightenment. Our best customers, most of whom are represented here today, and several of whom will be sharing their stories on this stage, are already well along this slope. And that leads me back to my main focus, which again is to help call attention to the decisions you are making, what we are learning, and how each organization can set the best path to drive deployment, adoption, and engagement with your workforce that drives transformation. Technology to elevate people. To provide some context, I see three basic categories of companies that are making these decisions. Category one are companies that are very large, complex, and can develop elements of the machine health solution internally. This category includes companies like General Motors, Ford, and Toyota, who have all been featured speakers at our previous three summits and are well represented again here today. We have learned with these and other very large global corporations to be adaptable and flexible, to deliver a solution that matches with your internal capabilities, your data and security requirements, and your corporate infrastructure. Category two are the customers that really put KCF on the map. Those that fully rely on us as the machine health solution, leveraging our full suite of sensors, cloud data hosting, software, and Sentry services. Our work in upstream oil and gas, where no company had deployed wireless machine health sensors before, drove this growth, and it has expanded. Among our presenters today, Rayonier, CalFrac, and Precision all represent Category 2. And Category 3 are organizations with an ecosystem of providers, where KCF integrates with both internal capabilities and other technology providers. These are usually larger organizations, and they're differentiated mainly by their maturity in adopting KCF's and others' technology, moving up the value pyramid. Clarios represents this category well, especially with their automatic data integration to Maximo. Georgia Pacific, which I personally regard to be the most mature deployment of Industry 4.0 globally, is a model for Category 3. And I'm glad to have them here to share their story today. And look who's represented in these three categories. You, our customers, represent the best of the best. The most critical, the largest, the most demanding, surely the most challenging drivers of the fourth industrial revolution. And this inclusive community is growing. Look at the center for the organizations who have started new engagements with KCF just in the last 12 months. Your organizations are the best of the best, and within your organizations, you are the ones who actually make the wheels go around, who deliver on the extreme expectations of production, safety, environmental sustainability, and more. We get it. We get you. And that is what puts us in the position we're in. So, we continue to listen and to learn, to develop and to deploy. As you probably have heard by now and will definitely experience today, KCF has released some powerful new capabilities recently. In the same way that has made us successful for several decades now, these new capabilities have been informed by your needs, specifically the needs in all three of the categories I just described. These capabilities enable KCF to further our vision, which is to transform industry. And our mission requires that we meet you where you are, build solutions around your needs, and solve your problems. Let me give you a few examples. For all customers, but especially Category 1, the very large companies with data complexity and internal capabilities, our data acquisition hardware is the foundation. For you, we continue to build upon the foundation to make our machine health platform more comprehensive. The V3 sensor, Dart wireless, and base station is the core, and it delivers value at ever-increasing scale. Now, the IoT Hub brings you into complex, triggered analysis, and beyond vibration and temperature. In addition to the already available ultrasonic, oil, tachometer, pressure, and other sensors, we're now introducing the IEPE solution, which is a new multi-channel acquisition system to enable extremely high-fidelity data capture on large and low-speed rotating machinery, including with wired legacy piezo vibration sensors. Further, our solution now includes motor current signature analysis. Even for customers who only use KCF sensors and IoT software, these new capabilities enable substantial expansion to monitor and improve machines that our competitors simply cannot address. Customers in Category 1 rely on KCF to deliver this expanding suite of sensor solutions and the IoT infrastructure to make it work reliably, all day, every day. Next, with a particular focus on Category 2, the customers that use the full suite of KCF sensors and data infrastructure and models and Sentry, I am thrilled to announce the new Desk application. KCF's next generation Desk is a game changer for transforming your reliability and maintenance workflows. Instead of simply offering up raw data for analysis and interpretation, the Desk offers curated insights, which for Sentry customers are reviewed and confirmed by KCF technical analysts. And for all customers, the raw data is constantly being analyzed by our machine learning models based on feature extraction and pattern recognition. This industry-leading AI approach merges human and artificial intelligence, enabling the models to detect and address the root cause, the physics of failure. And this allows your team to spend time improving machine health rather than searching for problems. And on top of that, we understand your actual needs, like your challenges with skilled labor. It is more challenging than ever to get all the work done, to get the right people trained and prepared, and to validate the work, and we understand. And so we have an exciting new mobile app available to all KCF customers on Android and iPhone. Now, today, in the hands of your people, on the plant floor, real-time communication. Managers of reliability and maintenance teams can now easily track the health of the KCF system, the base stations, and the sensors. And workers at all levels have easy visibility to the issues being tracked on your mobile device, where you are, when you need it. And then the issue with the machine can be processed and acted upon by the right person in the right place at the right time. The maintenance team leader sees a prioritized list of issues and sets the plan of action. The millwright or maintainer sees the alarm and the context on the machine issue with substantial insight to understand the issue. And the supporting data is available, not to go searching through raw data, but simply to reference the most important information necessary to make a call and adjust the action plan. And these new tools, Desk, Models, and Mobile, work together seamlessly to improve your team's ability to solve machine health problems. Customers in this category are already using these tools to drive a massive step change in proactive problem solving. Last, with a particular focus on Category 3, the customers with a mature ecosystem of capabilities, KCF continues to evolve the smart diagnostics solution to be the ultimate comprehensive machine health platform. This includes working seamlessly with other providers, both customer and partner systems. As one important example, Smart Connect now enables integration to your CMMS software system like Maximo, SAP, or Blue Mountain. The work is scheduled, executed, and closed. Healthy operation is confirmed, and then finally, the models are updated and the system learns, all leading to the future with zero disruption, zero waste, and zero injuries. And that is the right action. Work performed at the right time, with the right tools, by the right person, optimal work, precision work. Finally, one fun new feature that I think everyone can appreciate. Building upon our knowledge, we have now KCF Chat. KCF Chat is a soon-to-be-available AI search tool, leveraging ChatGPT and OpenAI. It's accessible right within Smart Diagnostics. KCF Chat enables users to instantly access the other information you need, leveraging the KCF Academy, product specifications, and our knowledge base to determine how to best implement technology to elevate your people and solve your problems. VJ and the engineering team will be providing live demos with more detail on the breakthrough impact of all these new capabilities later today at Beaver Stadium. So, for global corporations, huge global corporations, for smaller, more nimble companies who are all in with KCF, and for evolved, technically mature customers, KCF has built the ultimate comprehensive machine health platform. Whether you need broader sensing capabilities, automated data analysis and models, easier applications to manage and communicate with your workforce, advanced data integration, or all of these and more, we have the solution. We have the solution because we have listened to your problems, and we continue to listen to your problems and innovate new solutions. So thank you for being here, for sharing your experiences, your stories, and your needs. All of our success, past, present, and future, comes from you. And this event, this Manufacturing the Future Summit, is the single best opportunity to share those experiences, those stories, and those needs, so that we can improve continuously and transform industry together. Thank you very much.